Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. We're going to be trying out a new hair tool. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Dyson Airwrap. You can find this little tool on eBay. I'll leave it in the description box down below. So this is a 5-in-1 dryer hot airbrush wrap styler, volumizing hair straightener, and it retails for $50 on eBay. I actually paid $48.59, so it's actually gone up a little bit in price for it. And it's supposed to be a Dyson Airwrap dupe. It has 3 settings here. It comes with a whole bunch of different tools. So I did pull out just these 2 today. I guess these are the ones that are like supposed to wrap your hair. So we have, I don't know what side this like blows, so we're just going to take this and we're going to try using this like the Dyson Airwrap. My hair naturally dried last night, so it's pretty much just, you know, all over the place and it needs to be styled. So let's try this Airwrap dupe on for size. Let's see if it works. I have never used the Airwrap before, but I heard that this was a really good dupe, so let's just try it. Okay. So it has 0, 1, 2, 3 as a setting on here. If you put it on 3, it makes it like super hot all over the place, like Medusa hair. And we are hoping that this dupe for the Airwrap is going to make it look pretty. Okay, so it's curling my hair. You can see here, it's supposed to just air wrap it and like kind of curl it with hot air. So, I mean, it is doing it. It's just my hair is like super short. So I'm going to do this side of my hair and then we're going to see kind of like, wow. We're going to see the difference between Medusa not done and Medusa will be done. So let's just get the rest of this side done. Okay, here is one side styled, I guess. I might go in with like the other, like the other attachment because I think it does it like the other way, so I can get some like back and forth waves. It did take away a lot of like the frizz, like you can see all the frizz over here, so it did take away a lot of that. I'm looking in my mirror here, and it just, I think if I got, if I had longer locks, I think it would look a lot better because I don't have long locks at all. And it styled my hair decently well. It's just, it looks kind of awkward because I have really short layers right here. So I think I'm going to go back in and try and get some of these layers to cooperate more. Maybe use the other attachment, see how it works. So this is a little bit hot. Ooh. So note to self, it does get really, really warm. Let's put this one on. It's really easy to like transition between the 2. Oops. It's really easy to like transition between the 2, and that makes it easier so that you can actually do your hair. So I'm going to use this to get some like backward forward, because like if you see here, it's super, it doesn't go with the actual like wave of my hair. My hair goes in different waves. So we're going to use this to do the other side. Gonna kind of style it, see what happens. We have Medusa side 1, Medusa styled. So let's just see if we can make this manageable. What is going on? Okay, well, this isn't working. What is going on? What is going on? It's not working. Okay, let's just switch the attachment back then, I guess. Okay. Wowee, is that tool hot? Super hot. Oh, so this is Medusa styled with the Dupe Airwrap. I kind of feel like a beauty queen with my hair so floofy, but that looks really pretty. And I really like that there's like hardly any frizz at all with my hair. It looks like I took a really loose barreled curling iron and like curled my hair. It's really pretty. And then I like the volume that it has too. It's just very bouncy and light and fluffy, but it's not fuzzy. Like there's the difference. That's really pretty. And just a weird thought, like why didn't this attachment work? Don't know why. I thought that was kind of funny. Why I have two of these. So I'm going to bring out and show you guys the rest of the attachments now that Medusa has been tamed. So it is a five attachment little blow dryer Dyson Airwrap, faux Airwrap. I'm going to call it the faux wrap. The faux wrap. So it's a 5 attachment faux wrap, and it does come with like a little blow dryer head. I used this on Claire last night and it worked really, really well. And then it does come with a little brush. This worked really, really well as well. And it doesn't get like so hot that it's gonna like burn your scalp. And then it also comes with a roller brush, so I could do like a blowout if I completely wanted to. So the only one that like really makes no sense to me is this one. I couldn't get it to work, and it does have a little arrow right here that kind of shows you exactly what way it's gonna go. So it's supposed to curl this way. So I don't know if it was just me, but I mean, if I can make it work by like holding it over my head, that's totally fine. It does come with all of these attachments, and you can take off the actual like attachment and just use it to like blow dry your hair. But seriously, like this looks so pretty. Very impressed with how like gorgeous it made my hair look, and it's just not fuzzy. It feels like very light and airy and curly, like it was just kind of blow dried. And I really don't like putting a lot of like direct heat, so like having an air dry type of effect, that's way better for your hair than like direct heat like from a curling iron or from a straightener. So that's really, really nice. Let me know what you think of my hair down below. I would love to know your opinions, especially if you have a Dyson Airwrap. Leave me a comment down below. I would like to know, does yours work the same? And does it come up with like the same type of hair? I have like medium length-ish hair. And does your Airwrap do the same thing? Have you found an Airwrap dupe? Leave me a comment down below. I would love to know. And I can't stop playing with my hair. It looks so pretty. So guys, there it is, the faux Airwrap, the dupe for the Dyson Airwrap. It's a $50 purchase on eBay, and I actually got it pretty fast, by the way. $50 on eBay for a faux Airwrap, and this is what it did to my hair. So I'm thinking it would do something similar for longer hair, shorter hair. If you guys like this kind of content, unfiltered makeup opinions and honest reviews, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I get to see you in my next video. Bye!